right, so this one is one exciting stuff, right? So I want to show you how you can create this all-in-one financial service. It comes with tons of features. If you've not subscribed, you want to subscribe, right? So you can add money, receive money, you can get your virtual card, saving goals, pay bills. What am I saying? Saving goals, pay bills, pay bill pay. Okay, bill pay, mobile recharge, donation, merchant payment, cash out, and a whole lot. And it's looking modern, sleek, and awesome. And do you know the crazy good thing about this? You can build this without knowing how to code, and you can have your own bill payment startup right now. It also comes with a mobile app, which I don't know how to set up that one currently, but if you need it or you need us to help you set it up, we'll discuss on that actually, but there's no tutorial on that for now. For mobile app, it's a personal job, but this I'll be showing you how to build the web app that you can see right now. You also have your login here, and it comes with authentication, verification, SMS authentication, email authentication, and all of that. So we would like to make this video in two parts. The first is we're going to show you now how you can go ahead to install this and build it. The next part is if we get people interested in this, we'll do a video on how you can do the rest, right? But follow this video, learn how to install this and build it for yourself with no code, right? And you can actually see this is the registration process. Your phone number will be here, then you get a pin that you can use, then you can your pin to log in, right? You also have your registration now, register now. They'll put your phone number, they'll get an SMS, or they put their phone number, they get an email, depending on what they want. This is awesome. This is really cool. So without wasting or taking so much of your time, let's go into it. It'll be a step-by-step tutorial. If you don't know how to do this, just follow this video. Trust me, you'll be able to do this. I personally will always recommend you to go with hosting as your hosting. But let's get started. I will talk more about the rest of this. But this is looking sleek. If you want this and you want to build this, reach out to me and follow this video. It will help you. Let's go now. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to get a hosting and a domain. I will always recommend Hostinger, and if you use my Hostinger referral link, you also get a 20% discount, which you'll be able to pay very fast. And secondly, you also get a free domain. So you don't have to worry about getting domain, you just need to get hosting guy using my referral link, get a free domain and also 20% discount if that's what you want. Or you go with Namecheap, right? Is what I go with. Or you can go with any hosting that makes use of cPanel. Now, Hostinger doesn't make use of cPanel, but they are one of the highest rated hosting platforms, and I'll help you set it up if you want me to do that. All right, but not just setting it up, I'll help you install, then you follow the video to set it up, just to put that out there. So moving on. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your hosting provider and go to cPanel. Remember, if you want to use Nigerian hosting, you could do it to reach out to me. I always recommend Domain King, and also have referral for that if you also need that. But let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to navigate to your cPanel. This is where all the building and everything will be taking place. So make sure your hosting is using cPanel, whichever your hosting is using, either Domain King, Hostinger, GoDaddy, whatever hosting. Right now, if you have not built this before, don't worry about that. Just do it to reach out to me. I'll tell you how you can get any of the hosting. If you have a hosting, follow this video step by step. But wherever you are, just follow the video and learn this process. It's easy and anybody can do it. So once you get your hosting and the domain, go to your cPanel. Now I want you to come on the search and search for file manager. You're going to see this guy, so click on it here. Now, so once you click on it, you're just going to navigate to where you have public underscore HTML. That's where your normal domain would be, right? This is where you're going to upload it. But I already have a website here. So what do? I use a subdomain. I'll put a link in the description showing how you can create a subdomain with Namecheap. But if you are new, the public underscore HTML should be empty. So this is where you're going to be uploading the scripts. If not, use a subdomain. Like me, I'm going to be using project .zipline.tech. Right now, I already have the script here, but I'm going to show you what you need to do. So once you go to where you want to upload it, either a subdomain or your main domain, which is public underscore HTML, click on upload here. When you do that, you're going to click on select file. Now, I'm going to provide you this file, right? It's going to come like this. You just need to extract all of this from this. Then you see this called files here. So you have the Flutter. This is the app. So you have the app for agent, for merchants, and for user. Then this level is the web app, right? So that's what we're going to do. Just click on it here. But no, just what you want to do is to compress and make it a zip file. Just click on it here. I'm going to provide this for you so you don't have to worry. Now you can see my says this file already exists. If yours will not show that, it just load. So you hold on until it turns green. Once it turns green, this will you'll be able to click on go back. Just allow it to upload. Once you do that, so you can pause this video at this point and upload it yourself on your system if you are practicing immediately. Now, once you do that, I want you to just come select it, right click on it, you're going to see extract, then extract files. All right, so click on close here. Now, what you want to do is just open up the file here. Then I want you to click on select. Then you see move at the top. Make sure to delete onto this place and click on move file. Then I want you to just come back here, also remove this and click on go. Now you have all of this inside your domain or subdomain. The next thing you need to do is to create what we call the database. So just go to your cPanel at this point and search. I want you to search for data. You're going to see manage database. So click on it here. And here we're going to be creating your database name. I'm also going to be creating a database user and we're going to be connecting both of them. So what you want to do is where you have your database, I want you to just type pay, right? Or give it any name you want to. I want you to go back. So you scroll down, you're going to see add user. I want you to type the same name, pay. Now under the password, click on password generator to generate a password for you. Do well to save it, right? Do well to save it. Right, save it somewhere. All right, then check this, then click on use password. Now click on create user. Then I want you to go back again. Now scroll down until you see add user to database. Under the user, I want you to select the name. So pay. I have many because I have many database. If you're new, this will probably be just one each. So once you do that, click on all privileges here. Then scroll down and click on make changes. Once you have done with that, come back to your file manager, click on core here. Scroll down to where you have .env file, right click on it and click on edit. Click on edit here. So under here, you're going to see database password. Put that password I told you to save. Then go back to where you have your database here. Just select any of this name, either the username or data. Select one, copy it. Then under the database username, put here the database name, put the same since we use the same name. Right. Then click on save changes. Now let me show you something. So if we copy our website URL and paste it here, that is our domain, you're going to get this error, but you don't have to worry about that. What you need to do is come back to file here. Okay, first let's just go to just open your domain or subdomain, whichever you're using. Then under install, click on it here. You're going to see database. I want you to click select, then you see download, click on download. So what you would do is would download this database to your system. right? So mine has been downloaded. Let me open it where it is. So you can see it here. So I just want to change the location to download, right? Where I can find it easily. Now I want you to go back to this and just type PHP here. You're going to see phpMyAdmin, click on it. All right, so I want you to look for the database you created, which is pay here. You'll notice it's empty. All right, now you notice I have a lot of database, right? Yours may be scanty because this is probably your first or second, right? Now I want you to click on import here at the top. Now choose file. Now just go to download. This is where I have mine here. So look for where you saved yours. Then scroll down, you're going to click on import. Now we've successfully imported it, right? Now when we come back here and refresh this, and voila, you have your all-in-one financial service website built. Simple, step by step, no stress, right? Now I want you to go to the admin, so just click on type slash admin, type admin. Now your password will be admin. I mean, your username will be admin and your password for your admin will be admin. So once you log in, you need to change that. Now this is the back end, right? So you could click on to run your cron, you could run the cron job manually, automatically. Then this is it. So what you have to do is to set all of this up. So basically I just needed to show you how you can install this and use it for yourself. So do well to subscribe, do well to share this video and leave a comment if this has been so helpful to you. If you want further assistance or you feel I should expatiate more on the video, show you how to fully set it up, be able to also leave a comment. And yeah, this video gets up to 50 likes. I guess I would do another complete video. Thank you and have a blast. This is Matthew Brown and this is the flight. We also help people build platforms like this in case you're interested.